Decisions. Do I want to eat at BK? Have it your way. Or do I want to go so fucking long that I just
Arby's, the best fast food ever. Curly fries, magnifico.
Living my life like it's golden.
Fresh.
As can be. It's the prettiest burger y'all ever seen late night. Ooh la la.
Ooh la la.
Yo, that motherfucker was juicy. You see my finger having a spasm, you dig? Stop sleeping on Arby's. I feel like my community really sleeps on Arby's, man. Wake up and go get you a fresh fast food meal, you feel me? You don't even gotta ask for it fresh. It just happens.